Today we're going to learn about two tools, the eraser and the scissors tool. Here we have a square, it has a green fill and a red stroke. What if we took an eraser to it? And we just cut this in half. I'm just clicking on the eraser tool right here and just left clicking and dragging right through it like so. Now watch what it does. Now these are actually two different pieces. Let me click off of it and pull this apart. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free. So if you're trying to make a quick icon or you just need it in your advertisement or poster, it's really easy to make an effect like this just by dragging the eraser through it. I can keep cutting through it using the eraser. And of course, then I can pull these apart. I'm going to hit my selection tool and I can just move these like so. So you can remove the piece or you can just reposition the piece however you want it, but that is how the eraser tool works. Now the scissors tool is a little different. Come over here to where the eraser is, hold it down, and then choose the scissors tool. The scissors tool only works on the stroke. So let's say I wanted to delete this stroke maybe from here to here. That is easy to do. I can just left click there, mouse over till it says path, left click here. I'm going to switch to my direct selection. That would be the entire thing. Move that out of the way. And then what's left behind is this one line. So we just cut that using the scissors out of that shape. So these two tools are actually pretty simple to use, and there will be situations where they will come in handy, and now you know how to use them. Move on to the next video if you're ready and you understand these tools. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free.